Susan here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are creating a hair tutorial where we're creating this look from TEMS, and we are starting on freshly washed and detangled hair. Yes, ignore my heat damage. Thankfully it is growing back. Of course, I'm going to spray my hair with my rosemary and clove water. I have a detailed tutorial talking about my experience and the benefits of using rosemary and clove water on your natural hair. So it's going to be linked up and in the description below. Next up, I'm applying shea butter just to seal in all that moisture and keep my hair soft and moisturized. Now for this style, it's going to be a slick bun, so you need your hair to be very detangled. And of course, I'm combing from my ends to my roots. Please comb from your ends to your roots. Don't comb from your roots to your ends. You're going to cut your hair. You can only comb from your roots to your ends when your ends are fully detangled. Now I'm going to make a section in the middle. Whenever you're getting slick bun, be it slick back or high puff or high bun, you need your hair to be very sleek. And to get your hair very sleek, you have to work in sections. So I've created this middle section. It's not something that needs to be really clean and very defined in terms of parts. Just make sure you have a section and go again to detangle with your wide tooth comb. I went ahead to comb this section very well, then use a hair tie or hair scrunchie to secure it tightly. That's going to be the base of our bun. Now I'm going to go ahead with the good old Eco Styling Gel in olive oil. This is my favorite Eco Styling Gel, and I'll apply a generous amount to the back section. Apply as much as possible in between if you want to. Then I'll take my wide tooth comb and comb through. For sleek buns, high puff, you need your hair very sleek, so you have to keep detangling. Now I'm going to divide the back section from the front so that the front is not interfering with the back, and I'll use a hair tie to just put it in place. Then I went ahead to apply more gel. This style needs gel. Then I'm going to go in with my bristle brush and brush it very well so that I can get rid of any flyaways and frizz. Now that we are done, I'm going to take out the middle section and brush again. If you don't mind, you can even go in with your wide tooth comb and comb everything together. Now I'm going to secure this entire part with a scrunchie. Our bun is coming together nicely. Please make sure it's really tight and firm. You can see it's not easy. Now I'm going to take out the front section and do the same thing I did for the back to the front. But first off, let's put the back away so that it does not interfere, because I have heat damage and the straight part keeps getting in the way. Now I'm going to go ahead to apply gel to the front again. Generous with the gel. For me, I did not go in between my hair because my hair is a little bit long. But if your hair is short, I think you have to go in between your hair so that you can get it very sleek. Then I go in with my wide tooth comb and comb very well. This will even help the gel go through each strand of your hair. Go with your bristle brush, brush again very well. Brush out every curls, every frizz, and I'm going to just pack this whole bun. I did not take out the previous tie. The same way it's still tied. I'm going to pack everything together. Brush one more time. Your bristle brush is going to be your best friend when you're having sleek bun or sleek low back. Whatever sleek style you're having, you must use a bristle brush. Obviously the forehead is here to play. I'm going to use my hair tie and put everything together in one bun. Secure it tightly. Now that's looking good, I'm going to go ahead to apply one more layer of gel just to make sure that everything is sleek. I went ahead to comb my pony. This is very good. It helps relieve the tension from the tie too. After combing, I'm going to go ahead to braid that section. It's not easy getting your hair done, guys. It's a struggle, and the fact that my hand has to be up for a long period of time, a very good arm workout. I tucked in the ends, secure it tightly, and of course went ahead to brush my hair one more time. You are never going to get tired of brushing your hair, guys. Now I'm going to be using this styling mousse just to keep everything sleek, get rid of any flyaways. Because I have heat damage, I have a lot of split ends at one section of my hair, so I'm trying to make sure everything is sleek. And I almost covered my face with styling mousse, guys. After working that into my hair, I went ahead to use the Got to Be Freeze spray. This is like extra hold, so everything is secured, no movement. Now we are going to go ahead to tie all of that down. I'm using my scarf. I'm going to tie it. Please do not tie tightly. Don't kill yourself. Reduce it. Now I'm going to tie my scarf and just leave it on for a while. I also made sure to tuck in my hair tie at the back. Now this is me practicing for my unboxing for hair brand. So brands, start coming. This is the hair I made last week from a braiding hair. The video is going to be linked up and in the description box. Please do well to check it out, okay? Now my hair is dry, just the front, guys. Unfortunately, the back was not completely dry, so please make sure yours is completely dry. Of course, another unboxing process. This is the hair, and we're going to be using a crochet pin. So I'll just take a piece and bring you guys closer. All you just need to do is to insert the crochet on your hair, add the braiding hair, close the clasps of the crochet, draw it out, and pass it through the loop. Secure it tightly. And that's it, guys. This hair is giving jerry coil, telephone wire, all that situation going on. But you're going to do this process around your hair, like around that bun that you have up, just so that you have a fuller look. Be careful when you are putting the crochet pin in your hair. Don't go and poke yourself, please. Be careful. Do it carefully. All you just need to do is insert the crochet pin to the first layer, like a lighter layer of your hair. Put on the braiding hair, clamp or close the crochet pin, pull it out, and drag the hair through the loop. Make sure you're dragging it so that it's tight, because you don't want anything snagging and pulling. Now that I'm done applying the hair to around that bun, I'm going to go ahead to start doing the crochet on the bun itself. So I'm going to make the crochet, like attach the braiding hair to the bun itself. Same situation, insert your crochet pin through the bun, pull out the hair and pass the hair through the loop you created. Secure it tightly. Now you're going to do a number of this on the bun so that you have a fuller look and you're able to conceal and cover the bun neatly. So guys, I'm done with the first pack. I went ahead to bring out the second pack. If you watch that video, you know that I made it in 2 packs. So please, once again, watch that video. It's going to be linked up and in the description box. This is a straight braiding hair that I turned into this coily extension that we're using here. So I'm going to try my best to fill in the sparse areas, the back of the bun, the top of the bun, the sides of the bun, so I can be able to conceal that bun I made. And this style, to my knowledge, is pretty easy. All you just need to do is insert crochet pin, attach the braiding hair, close it, pull it through your hair, the loop that is created, pass the other end of the braiding hair through it and secure it tightly. Now guys, I've gotten to the desired volume I want. I was able to cover the bun nicely. It's not so obvious, but I still went ahead because I did not like that I'm still seeing it. I went ahead to pack the entire hair with a scrunchie just slightly in the middle of the, like where you feel the weight of the bun, the middle. Just pack it there and it's just going to fall, and it makes the hair higher a bit, if you guys notice. Now that I am done, I'm going to go ahead to unravel the curls just to make it fuller and more fluffier. The frizz that you get with this is what makes the style more beautiful. And please do not forget the back section. As you're unraveling the front, be unraveling the back too. Don't do one part and leave the other part, okay? You want everything to look very nice and uniform. After fluffing out the curls, this is what it looks like. Now we are going to give it a good trim. Yes, all those ends that you can see sticking out, all those long parts that you don't want, just go ahead to trim it to the desired shape you want. And I really trimmed a lot. After trimming and fluffing, this is what I trimmed out of my hair. Not so much, but it was a lot. You can see that it's very secured. It's not going anywhere and you can't see that bun. Now for the reveal, this is what we look like. I went ahead to beat my face to the guts. So beautiful. I tried my best to recreate the look that TEMS had on in that picture. I hope I tried, but this hairstyle is so beautiful, so easy. In less than 20-15 minutes max, you should be done with this hairstyle. If you are doing other things, let's say 1 hour. It's a very sophisticated hairstyle. You can wear it to anywhere. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. If you'll be trying it, please do well to tag me, and I'm going to show you guys how to slip in this hair so that you don't scatter all this work that we have done. Now you get a wig cap and you just put it on that bun, put it in place so the curls and the fluffing stays intact. If you have a frizz or holding spray, use it. Then you go ahead to wrap your hair with a scarf, and that's it guys. Simple. No stress. The curls in the bun is going to stay intact, and you can go ahead to go to bed, have your beautiful night's sleep. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.